Here's your Florida Realty Fusion Tuesday tip. Let's talk plants. If you're getting ready to sell your home, you're probably focusing on curb appeal, staging, and making your space feel as fresh and inviting as possible. But here's a simple, budget-friendly tip that adds serious impact. Indoor plants. Not only do they purify the air, but they instantly make your home feel more alive, well-maintained, and welcoming. Here's a list of the best indoor plants that check both boxes: air cleaning powerhouses and visual showstoppers. Snake plant, also known as Sansevieria. It removes toxins like formaldehyde and benzene. The striking vertical lines give a modern, clean look, and honestly, it's nearly impossible to kill. Peace lily. It filters indoor air and reduces mold spores. The elegant white blooms add a touch of sophistication. It's just perfect for bathrooms and low-light areas. So, let's talk about the Areca Palm. It's not just a beautiful plant, it actually works as both an air purifier and a natural humidifier. It's perfect for filling up those empty corners with a little tropical flair. And by the way, it really loves bright, indirect light. Next up is the spider plant. This one's awesome for improving air quality, and it's totally pet-friendly, which is a big plus. Its cascading greenery really helps soften any space, making things feel just a bit more inviting. Pothos is a real favorite for a reason. It's tough, super forgiving, and honestly, pretty stylish. It works great on shelves or in hanging planters. Plus, it absorbs those pesky VOCs and gives a nice boost to your space's visual charm. Now here are a few pro-styling tips. Try grouping your plants in threes for that designer look. Stick with clean, neutral planters to keep things simple and fresh. Oh, and don't forget to wipe the leaves before showings. It's best to skip overly fragrant plants too. Remember, buyers aren't just looking for a house, they're really searching for a home. The right plants add warmth, style, and cleaner air, making your space stand out from the rest. Ready to sell? Contact us for a free market analysis. Florida Realty Fusion, where dreams meet realty.